Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest products to help you make the best choices. Today, we're reviewing the SAMSONITE Travel Neck Pillow for cars, which many consider the best headrest neck rest cushion for your vehicle. If you're someone who spends long hours driving or just wants extra comfort while on the road, this could be the perfect accessory for you. When you're driving for long periods, neck discomfort is all too common. The SAMSONITE Travel Neck Pillow is here to change that. Featuring high-grade memory foam, this cushion has been specially designed to offer superior neck support, making your driving experience a lot more comfortable. The memory foam adjusts to the unique contours of your neck, ensuring that you get customized support, no matter how long your journey is. The pillow's ergonomic shape works to alleviate pressure and reduce discomfort, absorbing road shocks from potholes or rough terrain. No more straining your neck during bumpy rides. The memory foam ensures a smooth, supportive experience, adapting to every move. This cushion isn't just comfortable, it's built to last for those long driving sessions, providing hours of support without losing shape. One of the best features of this neck pillow is its universal fit. Whether you're driving a car, SUV, or truck, this pillow attaches seamlessly to any size headrest. Whether you're in a spacious driver's seat or sitting in the back, you'll find that this pillow provides a perfect fit for everyone. We all know how dirty things can get when they're used often, and the SAMSONITE neck pillow is no exception. Luckily, it comes with a removable cover that makes cleaning a breeze. Simply remove it, wash it, and you're good to go. No hassle, just clean comfort every time you hit the road. In conclusion, if you're looking for a headrest cushion that delivers both comfort and durability, the SAMSONITE Travel Neck Pillow is an excellent choice. Whether you're taking long road trips or just running errands, this pillow will support your neck and make your driving experience that much more enjoyable. Stay tuned for more reviews here at Product Critique, where we continue to bring you the best products to make your life easier.